All right, we are losing light quick, so I'm going to kind of go fast through this. Dent corn needs weeded. It's not doing real good. Sweet corn, pole beans. Sweet corn, pole beans. Sweet corn, pole beans. That one is on its way back up. And then this is another sweet corn. And these are green jade beans from Baker Creek that suck because they didn't, I think only 5 plants came up. And then sweet corn, asparagus long beans, as a Chinese bean gets to sometimes 3 feet long. It's kind of cool. Squash and zucchini. How beautiful is that so far? Bodacious hybrid corn. Looking good for seed that was old as it was. Russet potatoes. They're getting close. Purple potatoes. Getting close. Red potatoes, still a little bit longer. These came from potatoes that I got through Flash Food. Those came with from potatoes that I got through Flash Food also. These I did buy the seed. Carrots didn't even show a sign of being there. That's all weeds. I'll take care of that tomorrow. And then this is green beans. Sorry, took me a minute. Those are green beans. And then tomatoes. If your tomatoes are doing this, they're actually okay. That is their defense against the heat. So we have an entire row of tomatoes there. And then we have yellow beans. In the center, I also planted some bush beans this past weekend. And more tomatoes. The basil that I'm getting ready to chop. And I'll get another round from it. And then these are soybeans, more tomato plants. I still need to tie these up and prune them. And then at each one of the ends of the rows on the tomato plants, there is a banana pepper plant. Then we have weedy poblanos and a couple of jalapenos down there. These are all sunflowers. And the rabbits ate 4 of my 6 cauliflower plants, so this in between here is empty right now. That will be fixed probably tomorrow. Then we have cabbage and broccoli, beets, turnips, and some weeds, iris, and our beautiful sweet potatoes. So let's go check out the circle garden. Strawberries, and it looks like we're still going to be getting some. There it is. And then that's the kale that went to seed. Our 2 eggplant plants are doing really well. I thought I'd planted tomatillos, come to find out that's not what it was, so I pulled them. And rosemary plant here. And then through the center of the weeds there are some large cucumber plants. They give large cucumbers. And then I cleaned all of this out. There's the silkies. And there are my onions that are going to seed. And then over here, I figured, why not? I had an extra package. I planted some Kentucky pole beans back there. They'll use the chicken coop wall as their trellis. And then right here along this path, I did Blue Lake bush beans from where I saved seed last year. We have okra right there. And then I had scattered some dill seed, but I'm not seeing anything yet. So we'll see how that goes. And then we have some bell pepper plants. And there's some radishes back there, a little bit of red peeking out. I'm trying to think, is that it? I think that's it for the moment on this round. And I almost forgot the beans in the baby pool. We've got new ones that are coming up. See, look, right there. So not all hope is lost on the ones that hadn't come up yet. So yeah, and there's the deal. I don't know if I can see any tadpoles or not, but sometimes we can see tadpoles. I'm not seeing them at the moment, but we'll try again tomorrow. And then in our big tub here, we still have the 2 different kinds of marigolds that I need to transplant out. This is white Ziennas, and 2 corn plants decided to show their selves. So I'm leaving them there. And then back there in the corner, I planted something. I'm wanting to see if it works. If it does, it's a surprise. So let's go up here on the porch. That potato plant is almost ready. The Brussels sprout plant's looking a little weak. because we're still fighting the pests, and they've also gotten hold of the kale. This I pulled. It was a red potato plant. It was completely dead. Got 4 little tiny potatoes out of that, or 5 actually. Tomato plant with some peas, basil. All of this needs watered. That's a broccoli plant that's being eaten alive. I'll be working on that. And then watermelon, which I'll be replanting a couple in there. I'm planning on putting some parsley in that. That pot's empty. Peas, tomato, lettuce that needs water desperately. Peas. Those are beets that need to be, need to put some seed in over here and water it and thin that out. And then I don't remember what this is. It's on the what is it? Oh yeah, it's a potato plant. Okay. And then this is, what is that? I don't know. But we've got a few little carrots in there. We can get that out of the way. This is some arugula. And then these, I think, are turnips. Pretty sure. What does that say? What's that say? Nope, that's kale. And then check that out. That's my Blue Lake bush green beans that I saved last year. And then this is spinach. But it looks like, I don't know. Maybe that's a weed. I don't know. Is that spinach? I don't know. We'll find out. And then here we have beets that need to be thinned just a hair, and a bell pepper plant, tomato plant, empty pot, some chocolate mint, black tomato plant, begonia that the neighbor gave me, cabbage plant, and a partridge in a pear tree. These I'm throwing away. If anybody wants them, let me know. You can have them. So, and here are our trays for this fall. Everything is planted there, so hopefully that will start to come up, and that's about it vegetable wise, garden wise, for the backyard food project for June 21st to what is this, 2022? Yeah, January 21st, 2022. And I'm going, wait, June 21st, 2022. Dear Lord, I swear I'm sober as the day is long right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.